All right, then, so that's the view on UPL. Those are the levels to track by for the short term. But let's get back to Ultratech earnings. In fact, we are joined by Girija Shankar, who's the lead analyst, Cement Institutional Equities Research at Yes Securities. Hi, Girija. Thank you so much for joining us. And before we get started with the specific, what are you making of the Ultratech Q1 numbers? It's a largely inline set of numbers that have come in.
Hi, good afternoon. Thanks for taking my call. The numbers, as per my observation, what I see, the numbers are not that great. Although it is below street estimates, revenue also declined, and EBITDA is in line with the street estimates. PAT also declined. Marginally, I say it has declined, but as per based out on my analysis, what I see, the highest capacity what Ultratech is having, the recent acquisition of India Cements and the Kesorams. So I believe these companies, the acquired assets are not doing well. I believe that's the reason this time we see a EBITDA per ton of around 1197 blended EBITDA per ton, which is marginally increased quarter on quarter. See, despite having a very good realization in southern regions, so rest of the regions what Ultratech is having the capacity that must have offset the actual number. But realization perspective, what I say, it is only 2.7% quarter on quarter increase. So little bit of disappointing in numbers what I see.
Okay, so slightly disappointing numbers is what Girija believes. But last time the company had sounded slightly cautious on its near-term demand. Do you think that stance is going to continue given that it's been a disappointing set of numbers this time?
What I see, they have made only 36.8 million ton of kind of volume. So as where I see this is below their 4Q FY25 numbers. In 4Q FY25 they made 41 million tons of the volume. So this time it is almost there is a very sharp, I can say, decline of utilization rates. So that is the only reasons where I see top line growth could have much better because of this utilization has came down. And the most important part, what I am saying, that is the realization. Even this quarter, southern region prices were increased by around 15% quarter on quarter basis per bag cement. So net realization, at least as a pan India player, they could have done better than the top line growth, and that also that would have flown to their EBITDA level. But if I see their, per ton basis analysis, power and fuel cost and freight cost also, they haven't got much benefit this time. So that's what I believe the numbers are not that great.
So like you said, the numbers are not that great. In fact, utilization was down and realization that you feel could have done much better and that would have supported the top line for Ultratech Cement. So that's the view coming from Girija. Thank you so much for joining us today. Just after the results, we'll connect again. Thank you so much.